National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a tornado warning for western Mecklenburg County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, eastern Gaston County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, northeastern York County in upstate South Carolina, until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:01 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 10 miles southeast of Gastonia, or near town of Lake Wylie, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Lake Wylie, Cramerton, McAdenville, Charlotte Douglas Airport, and Lowell around 3:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Paw Creek, Southwest Charlotte, Mount Holly, and Belmont around 3:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Huntersville and Northwest Charlotte around 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this dangerous thunderstorm include Crowders, Lucia, and Croft. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service Greenville-Spartanburg by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NW.
That she was dating. New details about the man Alicia Watts was dating in
Next. And severe thunderstorm warnings continue to be issued. New one just issued for a big chunk of our area, Catawba, Iredell, Lincoln, and Rowan County. If you're in the path of this storm, I want you to seek shelter just like it's a tornado warning. We've got 80-mile-per-hour winds within this storm. I'm going to quickly show it to you here. That storm is producing a lot of damage in parts of Catawba County. This is a live view. I believe it's from the Chevy Storm Tracker. That's the shelf cloud. That shelf cloud is the leading edge of very strong winds. Take these storms very seriously as they are continuing to produce widespread damage in parts of our area. Coming up, we'll have another update on this track as it heads towards Lake Norman.